Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. RS channel. This is Dr. Riffat Sadiq and today I'm going to give you a quick tip for flu season. Again, I am seeing lot of flu and lot of COVIDs which are really very people are sick and they are very sick. So I am going to advise not to take it easy. Please call your doctor, see your doctor, and if you're having symptoms, if you're having cough, ask for a televisit or a video visit because you need attention and you need to do some steps right away at home. You need to start drinking water, and in your water maybe put some lemon, that will give you vitamin C. So put your lemon, cut your lemon, squeeze it, drink it at least 2 liters of water every single day. Trust me, it's going to help you. And the number two, honey, at least 2 teaspoon minimum honey in warm water. Drink that. Put a couple of cloves in it, a little bit of cinnamon, clove, cinnamon, and honey. Write it down, please. This is very important for you. You will see that it's going to be really very helpful. And if you're having cough and it's not going away, then you need to have a little bit of honey, 1 teaspoon of honey, and in that honey, small amount of black pepper, which is crushed black pepper. That is really good for your cough. These all these herbs gives you strength, immunity building. That's really going to protect you. But again, you need to see your doctor. There are medications which are available for COVID, for your flu, and you need to take care of yourself because this one thing leads to another. Pneumonia, it can cause pneumonia. It can COVID is also known to cause the strokes, the heart attack, and also it throw emboli if the disease is really bad. So what I'm going to advise you, stay away from the people who are really sick. Use mask. That's very important. But you need to take care of yourself. You need to see a doctor if you're having these symptoms. Thank you for watching.